Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So today I want to do a bedroom declutter. So our main bedroom, so mine and Robert's room, has been collecting a lot of junk in recent times. Basically we have decluttered Ava's room, so the toddler room, and I will have that linked below if you haven't seen that series where I kind of take on the challenge of decluttering that because it was awful. And in the process of that, a lot of stuff got moved into our room, and then I just kind of left it there and I never did anything with it. So today I just want to go through and declutter our room because it really needs it. So just before I get into that, I want to let you know that I have lots of new blog posts for you to check out, and they will be linked below. One of the blog posts also includes a post about a service that I use called Shop and Scan. I stumbled across it one day on Facebook, and basically you scan your weekly shopping and you collect points, and then you can check out those points for like gift cards. So I have got €30 in gift cards from them, and I'm just about to get another €15. So check that out in below in the description, and it will give you a little bit more detail. I haven't been paid or anything to talk about that. It's just something that I've been using and I wanted to share with you guys. But there is a lot of different reviews and recipes on my blog that are different from the content here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's jump in and see the bedroom declutter.
I was young and you were broken, but we did the best we could. So many words left unspoken, 'cause we never understood that we get one chance to make it right. I wish I knew back then how to say sorry when it's just for the best. We had it all, but too young, way too young. I'm drowning in our memories with bittersweet intensity. Gone, swept away, swept away. I never knew the hope you gave, the promise made beside the lake. I'm moving on no matter what. The thing we had will never rust. You and I will stand the test of time for life. On the road without ending, a sea periphery glows. Your lips an illusion. When I close my eyes, I know that we get one chance to make it right. I wish I knew back then how to say you're sorry when it's just for the best. We had it all, way too young, way too young. I'm drowning in our memories with bittersweet intensity.
So I just need to put away the shoes. These things here need to move to a different area. This goes in the clothes washing. These bits go in the bed, in the kitchen, and then this needs to be put up in storage because we don't need it anymore. And then just back in this area, I'll have to fix it a little bit better, but I just have put the yoga mat, the back roller, a pair of work shoes for Robert, and the bag he uses for the gym. Okay, so I've went through the bag. All of this box here, this pillow are all gonna be, I'm gonna bring them to donation today because I just can't stand having them here anymore. This needs to go into Ava's room. These are my clothes that need to be hung up or put away. And these clothes here are the ones of Ava's that I'm just choosing to keep, just in case we have another baby and then it's a girl. But that's it, that's all I'm keeping from that pile. So we'll move on now to this. This is like the box that just keeps on giving. Like, there's just stationery left at the bottom of this. Just a pile here, all this pile everywhere. Just won't stop giving out stuff. So I'm gonna have to go get something for this stationery and then I'll sort through it. So this is pretty much everything that was in that box. So lots of it just needs to be moved to other areas, like my clothes need to go in the closet. This pile here and this pile here are for donating. This needs to go in the craft area. There's some like a jigsaw and some Disney stuff from our vacation last year in there. These two bits are going to be put in storage for whenever baby number 2 is coming, which who knows. This needs to go in Ava's room. Here, in here, there's just a whole load of pencils and pens and that sort of stuff. Behind it is some craft. Here is like some booklets that I like to keep for some of the devices that we have. Some like keys and like kind of USBs, which I'm just going to check to see if they have anything on them. And then, yeah, all of this just needs to be moved to other areas or trashed, really. And then here the box is broken down and everything that's going to go in the bin is in there as well. So that is everything that came. Some laundry as well came from there as well. But so far it's pretty clear here now, which is great. We can have that walking back again. It's been gone for so long. So I just need to get all of this stuff cleared away into the places where it's supposed to go. So this side here is pretty simple. These frames have to go into the living room. These clothes here I am keeping. These go in the wash. And then these towels, we have a leak in our window. So I need to keep them there because it depends on which way the wind blows, but our water leaks in. We're waiting to get a fix. And then Ava's shoes go back in her room. So there's no point in showing you guys me decluttering that because nothing really needs to be cluttered. Everything just needs to be moved.
And did you ever know somebody who slipped away and left the city? details are just like your girl. Before you know it, she will leave ya. No trace, no note, you'll never see ya. You ask her what you did and how to fix it. You try to find a way to get forgiveness. The search for pain is closer an addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. It is what it is. Why?
Okay, everything from this side, we have the 2 sets of blinds that go on our bedroom window. This is a thing we got from IKEA that you can store like shoes in, a mouse for a computer. This is some storage for our kitchen. This is just some rubbish. These are toys for Ava. This is a shoe that's going to be donated, and then we have this hanger that needs to go back in. So that's everything under there besides from this. This is their cloth nappies. We've never used them, but I have to lift the bed to get that out, and it's pretty heavy, so I won't be doing that.
Before you know it, you'll forget her. Yeah, at least until the fog is clear. You ask her what you did and how to fix it. You try to find a way to get forgiveness. The search for pain is closer an addiction.
Under the foot of the bed, I have these old curtains that I'm going to donate. Here is some storage that we bought in IKEA a long time ago for the kitchen that we haven't put up, but we will be doing that in the coming months. A pair of shoes that don't fit, so they'll be donated, and then some toys that are Ava's.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back.
So on this side of the bed we had the blinds that are from Ava's room, a book, some rubbish, a pair of slippers that need to be put in the rubbish, and then some kind of like phone leads and stuff here. So I'm going to be putting back the blinds. So these sets of blinds here and the ones over here, they're going to be going back under. And then the only thing that's left under there is this blue bag. So again, I'll have to wait until Barbara comes out because it just doesn't fit out. I'll need to lift the whole bed. So when Barbara comes home, I'll get him to take that out because we're actually going to be using this for when we're going away next week. So from the bedroom, this is the final thing that are going to the bin. Over here on this side, these are the bits that we're going to be putting in storage. So some of the clothes I want to save from Ava and a like travel cot. And then this whole pile here is what I want to donate from the room. So this is everything, a bag and all of that stuff needs to go to the charity shops. you have it, guys. That is today's video. My room feels so much better than it was. There's so much space. It's weird, like usually if I get up at night to go to the bathroom or go in and check on Ava, I had to like maneuver my way around, make sure I wasn't bashing into stuff. Now there's nothing there to bash into, not one thing to bash into. It feels so good. So now I have to work on keeping it like that. And there's already kind of stuff gathering because we didn't put away some clothes, so I have to make sure that I go in and put those clothes away because I don't want it to go back to like it used to be. In my room I will be doing a closet declutter, and I will also be doing like, I'm going to be putting up a couple of different decor bits because it's not something I do in my house, in my apartment. If you've been following me, you know I kind of leave it bland, the walls are just white, but I do want to start decorating it, and especially put in the canvas that I got from Snapfish. And if you're wondering what I'm talking about, I will have a video linked below, and that will help you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, please do give it a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel when you like my videos. And that's it. I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.